Hi, it's Umur. I want to make my own Shopify store, but I have zero experience in designing. I didn't know where I start or what I do, and didn't know how the things works. But then I found the EComposer, and everything is completely changed. The interface is so easy to use without knowing any knowledge for designing. I was able to create my own website, looks so professional, all by myself. With the drag and drop system, I can easily move things around, changing the colors and adding some columns or everything else. In the end, it looks like exactly what I want. But what impressed me most is the customer service, because they are so helpful and help me anything about what I need and when I need. Exactly, they are perfect. That's why I'm thinking EComposer is not an application or something like that. It's a whole team in your back, and anything you need it, they're there for you, helping you. So yeah, without any designing or coding skills, I make my own Shopify professional looking store and start selling some stuff, and I'm so happy with the EComposer. If you are thinking opening a Shopify store but having your mind some doubts about making your own design or own stuff, give it EComposer a try. It makes everything so easier. Thank you guys.